Thank you to Evan Russell and Adam Larner for giving us the opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you for going out of your way to just doing everything possible for us and keeping us happy. I don't think anybody else would go out of their way just to do things like they've done for us. So I want to say thank you, and I really appreciate it.
To Adam and Ev and everybody, even the whole RP team. I mean, we're like a big old family. This is our family, and you know, I spend more time with these guys than my own family. So, you know, through thick and thin, we're always right there for each other. And so I'd like to say thank you to the RP team and to Adam and Ev, and for looking out for us and being there for when we need them in times of need and stuff like that. So thank you guys, appreciate it.
I'd like to say thank you to Adam and thank you Ev for giving me the opportunity to travel. You know, this is like Jesse said, this is our second family, and you guys have done so much for us, and I greatly appreciate it. And all these guys appreciate it, you know, like, and just thank you overall for what you've done for all of us, the both of you. Thank you.
Thank you.